The news in detail. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented Union Budget for 2023-24 in the Parliament today. She said that Indian economy is on the right track and is heading towards a bright future despite challenging times. Sitharaman said the economic growth in the current year is estimated to be at 7%. Stating that this is the first budget in Amrit Kal, the finance minister said the vision for the Amrit Kal includes technology-driven and knowledge-based economy with strong public finances and a robust financial sector. The budget hopes to build on the foundation laid in the previous budget and blueprint drawn for India at 100. The finance minister announced that the capital investment outlay will be increased by 33% to 10 lakh crore rupees, which would be 3.3% of GDP.
Each other and act as the Saptarishi guiding us through the Amrit Kal. Inclusive development, reaching the last mile, infrastructure and investment, unleashing the potential, green growth, youth power, and financial sector.
AICC Media